Maniji, Rakshit, Venkatreddy, and our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sudarshan Rao sir. Welcome all of you for this webinar by the Roman Technology for the internship opportunities for the final year students as well as the third year second semester students. The students who are going to complete third year, there is a short-term internship is there for 2 months, and the Roman Technology is offering the internship opportunities for the students who have completed third year second semester. And presently the students who are in fourth year second semester, they have to do the long-term internship, and some of the students already they went to various industries for pursuing their internship, and some of the students they are pursuing through the LMS portal. And but this is the internship offered by the Roman Technology, and this will be offered at a particular center where the students can attend physically and can listen to the experts from the various institutions which are under the Roman Technology, and they will be really benefited out of this. So once again, I am thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, for taking initiation and inviting Roman Technology people for conducting internship opportunities for the final year students as well as the third year second semester students. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to address the gathering.
The Director Academic and Planning of Jntua University, Anantapur, Professor Satyanarayana Garu. Experts from Rooman Technology, Manish Garu, Rakshit, Venkatreddy Garu. Faculty members, principals, and students of or affiliated and constituent engineering colleges of Jntua Anantapur. Good afternoon to all of you, and I welcome all to this webinar. You all know that as per the curriculum of Jntua Anantapur, you have to undergo a long-term internship and also a short-term internship. So you know it's very difficult for every student to get an internship opportunity in an industry. So many of the students who didn't get opportunity to do internship in the industry, they are going to either Bangalore or they are going to some Hyderabad. They are paying certain amount, 10,000 or 15,000 rupees, and they are getting some certificate and they are completing this internship requirement. This everybody knows, and because of this, the skills of the students are not going to improve by anything. These type of internships are useless and should not be encouraged. Similarly, many of the students are also doing internships through LMS portal of AICTE. So as an alternate to such students who couldn't get their internships in an industry, Jntua Anantapur, in collaboration with Rooman Technologies, we are offering this JIFT program, JNTU Internships and Fellowship Training Program. So this program we will be offering at centers located in each district: Anantapur, Kurnool, Chittoor, and Nellore. Students in these districts, they can attend the internship program at these particular centers, which we call as PMKK centers, Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Kendra. There, the internship consists of 300 hours of training. Part of that will be organized by industry experts from Rooman and also 30 to 40 hours of training by IBM and IIT Guwahati and experts from Vadvani Group, etc. So this is a real-time opportunity for the students to listen to the industry experts and also experts from IIT Guwahati, IBM, and also get 17 types of certificates, valid certificates, different to the certifications from IBM, Vadvani Group, Rooman Technologies, Jntu. So you're going to get so many certifications. And another advantage is, along with this internship program, you are also doing a project work, which you can directly submit as your project for 12 credits in the curriculum. So you are completing the project work and you are also doing the internship program. So it is dual benefit to all the students. And moreover, all this internship is provided at free of cost to the student. We are not collecting a single NP from you, my dear students. You need not pay any money to centers located in Hyderabad or Bangalore and waste your money and time. Instead, you can do this internship at your own district center. Or people who are interested, they can go and do this in centers located in Bangalore, identified by Rooman Technologies. So there also, they will not charge a single NP towards training charges. Probably if you go to Bangalore, you may need to spend some money for your accommodation, etc. So this is a golden opportunity for you to get a training from real industry experts and align yourself industry ready so that your placement opportunities will be tremendously improved. And moreover, you have very high chances of getting a very good package in your placement. So with this idea, we are bringing this internship program, and in the webinar now, this Rooman Technologies, Manish Garu is going to explain you more in detail about this internship program. I only advise the students to use this opportunity. Those who got an internship program in the industry, you are most welcome to go to the industry. But those students who could not get an opportunity to go to the industry to do the training or internship, you can use this as an alternate opportunity equivalent to or even better than going to the industry. So this is what I want to advise to my dear students. There are no hidden costs. There are no any other payments to be made. It is totally zero cost. So please utilize this opportunity and make yourself ready for a wonderful job career. Thank you very much. And I appreciate the team of Rooman Technologies for coming forward and establishing a relationship with Jntu Anantapur to help the students of this Rayalaseema area. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your nice words and encouraging words to the student. Now I request Manish ji, the CEO of Rooman Technology, to take over the further proceedings.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all of you. Especially, I'm thankful to Vice Chancellor, sir, Satnarayan, sir, DAP, and Shobha Bindu, ma'am. So we had a nice meeting, and with that, we have started the discussion. So, my dear students, principal from different colleges and other SPOC members who are attending this particular event. This internship program, what we are going to do is for the purpose of your final year. So I know that, like, the moment it is the final year, in that case, we always think to the student there is a tension, like what exactly we are going to, where we should go, how exactly we should get internship. We start approaching, and it's not only for you, like, it's from our time also, that where exactly we will be getting the internship, how we will be getting the internship. You try influencing the people, you try finding the things and all. So here we are going to address the matter where how you can get internship without any hitch. 1 minute. Is it okay? Okay, that's better.
Fine. Uh, so hope I'm audible to all of you. Small confusion was there, so my apologies. All right. So this internship program that we have created, it is like, we understand that there is always a concern when we go to the final year, what life project I will be doing, where I will go, what internship I will get, and our honorable vice chancellor sir has mentioned the same thing. So here I am going to address certain solution to you, and this is for the first time in the country we have done this. So let me share my PPT. All right, share. And the name of this program, we call it as a winner program. So winner is kind of like, the first letter of all the participating companies. So it is Vadwani Foundation, which is a US based company, and they are into a lot of philanthropic jobs. And as a like, Vadwani Foundation is going to talk about the soft skills. Vadwani Foundation is going to teach you how exactly you can crack interview. I will show you certain, tools as well, which is being used by Vadwani Foundation. Then we are having IBM, who is participating in this program. IIT Guwahati is there. So WII and then NSDC, NASCOM, and Rooman. So this is the first time in the country a program where you can find that the whole industry has come together to help you in getting a future skill training, which can also give you internship as well as the project. So at the final year, you have the option of going for the project as well as you want the internship. So both can be possible. So how exactly this is going to happen and what are the basic challenges? So all of you are aware that the industry is going through a change, and The complete skill sets is getting changed. Everyone, we have been operating since 1999. For the last 25 years, we have been in this training industry. Usually, what happens that in 20 years, there will be always a change. So 20 years back, we used to give the training on Java, C, C++, and software testing, hardware, networking, MCSC, CCNA. Till 1990, from 99 till 2020, it was the same. We have been giving the training on the same subjects, on the same topics, on the same certifications. But since 2021 onwards, the trend started changing. Now there is no MCSC. MCSC got changed to Azure. Now we are talking about the cloud. We are talking about DevOps. We are talking about AI. We are talking about data science, which was not existing 7, 8 years back. So definitely, this is a golden time for all of you. You will be get very good opportunity because you will be getting a first mover advantage if you adopt this technology. So increased demand for specialized skills. There is worldwide, there is a lot of demand. At the same time, you should be with AIML, cyber security, cloud computing, so this kind of technologies. Coming back,
आपका अनम्यूट कर यहाँ पे अनम्यूट
Coming back, also we are having automation and AI impact. So there are lot of problems. There are lot of job cuts are happening because of the automation. So AI is always a question. Either AI is a boon or it's a curse. I always say AI is a boon. It is always better that you adopt to it. So today when we see chat gpt, it helps you in a lot of things, but everyone talks about AI, artificial intelligence. The name itself says artificial, so obviously it cannot beat HI, that human intelligence, right? So human intelligence is always superior. We are above AI. So we need to know how exactly to operate with AI. It is AI is kind of a calculator. You need to learn how to operate, how to, so instruction, even the calculator can do complex calculation very fast, but instruction goes from us. We have to say that either I want to add two numbers, or I want to multiply, or I want to divide. So that instruction should go from your end. So there is a change. Let me tell you, make it clear that it's not what 5 years back your seniors would have done. You also do the same and you will be successful. It's not going to happen. You need to be very clear about it. You need to get into the new technology. Lot of firing is happening, lot of layoff is happening. Why? Because of only one reason, that they are not upskilling, they are not reskilling themselves. So you have to upskill, you have to reskill, and you have to shift to the future skills. So we will be covering future skills in this particular program. Just 2 minutes of who we are, and we will be talking in detail about internship. So we are Rooman Technologies. We are Bangalore-based company. It is 25 years. 99 we started. We have trained more than 12 lakh students. We offer 100 plus courses on the future skills and the different skills. We have 100 plus training centers, 180, 800 plus corporate trainings what we have offered. Like you name the companies, either it is HP, Microsoft, Wipro, Infosys. We are offering we offer the corporate training to them. Apart from that, we are having association with almost all the large industry association like NSDC, NASCOM, ASSOCHAM, FICCI, which gives us the information that what kind of jobs are in demand. We are the training partner of Microsoft, IBM, Red Hat, VMware, and all that. And we have 1,200 plus top-notch companies where where we can place you. So for the last 25 years, we have placed so many candidates in the companies like Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, Accenture, Cognizant, and all that. So Rooman is not only just into training, we are also into IT services where we do large project like smart city. We manage the complete city's traffic. We manage the CCTV surveillance and we do the video analytics, cyber security, data center we manage. We are also into manpower and software development. This is the last about Rooman. We will get into the, so we have in training further, we have three verticals. One is skill development, where we operate with NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. We are also having the tie-up with the premium institutions like IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Mandi, IIM Bangalore, Detta Mege, and all that, where on our platform Future Acad we offer this training program, data science AI training program, which is conducted by IIT or IIM professors. Also we are into global IT certification, so we are the authorized training partner of all these Microsoft, IBM, Cisco. So we are giving them the certificates like CCNA, CCNP, ethical hacking. So all this certification program also we offer. So everything under one roof, you can say. We are present in almost all the states in the country and also some abroad branches we have. Now, all right, so let's come to the topic. What is internship? So probably I don't want to make it very monotonous kind of webinar. Rather, I would like you also to respond. So we have created, and this is how we also conduct the classes and all. So our classes are very interactive. So let us get into a small polling and try to only talking. So let's get into a small quiz or a polling. You can, if you have your mobile phone with you, you can scan this code, and then when I start the polling, you would be able to answer my question. So rather than we getting into chat and all, request you all to scan this QR code. Yes, good. So already you people started joining. Keep joining. Scan it fast. There are poll. Only 62 have joined still. Just take your mobile phone, scan this QR code. I would like to know some details from you before I get into my presentation. Very good. One more minute, I will wait, then we will start with the polling. It's very simple. Just take your mobile, scan the code. Okay. Okay, still people are joining, so let's wait for another 30 seconds. Fine.
Consider that you are talking to students.
Okay, so let's start with this. Maybe others can also keep joining. I will put the QR code aside. Okay, so first of all, what exactly is the definition of internship? There are four answers here: a permanent job position in a company, a temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field, a volunteer program with no focus on skill development, a type of scholarship. You can give your answer, you can select your answer. All right, so 590 of you are saying a temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field. So other 29, 20, 42, I am keeping it aside. So I will note it down. Internship is a temporary work experience, that is by 590 of you. So whatever is the majority, that I will take. All right, next. Good. So, what is the main goal of an internship? As a student, I would like to hear from you what you want: meet people, learn skills, earn money, travel. Answer, because your answer makes, I always dynamically change my PPT or presentation based on the response from my audience. All right, make it fast. So here also it is very clear, all of you are saying learn skills. So when you are going for internship, you want to learn something, right? Another two more. What's your plan to get an internship? Now you are having applied through LinkedIn and other job platform and you already got it. Then you select the first option, reached out to senior for referrals and waiting, asked parent to contact relatives for opportunities, or you have joined the online paid internship or through some other internship program. Applied through LinkedIn and other job platforms, online paid internship. Okay, online paid internship is 114 and 571 has applied through LinkedIn and other job platforms. Great. Do you feel confident on your skills? That is, tomorrow I will be able to get a job because already you are in final year. This is the last one. 4848 is absolutely 296 somewhat, not sure. 41, no, not it. Fine, there are few who is giving the candid response as well. Fine, let me go back to my presentation. So this is okay till here. I have your answer. So as I asked you, what exactly is the internship? So definitely, it is a short-term program who has recently graduate, or you are having the this. I never wanted, because everyone will have different option. As you guys do, I also, what I did, I went to Chat GPT. I told, okay, fine, tell me what exactly you feel as a, what is internship, and these are the answers I got. It offers hands-on learning and practical, include real world tasks under mentor guidance, provides opportunity to learn, network and explore the career, can be paid or unpaid, in person, virtual or hybrid, often bridges the gap between academics and employment. Our program we have designed to ensure that you are getting all this. Next, what exactly AICT says? As per AICT, a program, a minimum of 14 to 20 credits of internship, entrepreneurial activities, project work, seminar, or intra-institutional training. Intra-institutional training may be counted towards BTech degree program, and 10 to 14 credit for 3-year diploma program. So here we are giving you again project work also, we are giving you, we will give you seminar also, and inter or intra institutional training. So as Rooman is a outsider, in that case it is also coming under inter or intra institutional training, can be considered as internship. So as VC sir told, I am also of the same opinion. If you are getting an internship in a good company, that should be your first preference. Please go and join. But most of the time, what happens when you don't get the job? Unfortunately, in our country, the companies does not come forward to give the internship. If you see Germany, Korea, Japan, everywhere, it is mandatory. But even our prime minister is putting so much of effort, government is putting so much of effort. Recently they have launched some Pradhan Mantri internship program and all also, but still companies are not coming forward. So hence we can do the training also, and it can be considered as internship. So that is, I am showing you AICT guideline as such. What it says here: one credit is equivalent to minimum 40 to 45 hours of work. Therefore a full-time intern is expected to spend 40 to 45 hours per week training, project work, seminar activity. This will result in about 600 to 700 hours for BTech and 450. So this, on the similar line, we have created the internship for you, and you can choose which field you want to go, and it is all are one better than other. So we are having AI data quality analyst, we are having AI machine learning, application developer, web and mobile, cloud application developer, DevOps, and cyber security. So all these are in the future skills only. So what exactly, who would be going for? Suppose if you are not interested much in programming, you are kind of, you enjoy more non-technical kind of thing, but you like to play with the data, don't want to do more of logical thinking and all, I would suggest opt for AI data quality analyst. If you are good with the programming, you are good with the logical, you want to be in the latest, and so it's not required that, oh, my friend is doing AI ML, I will also do ML. Would you be able to cope up? That is important. So if you feel, yes, I can do it, in that case, you can do AI machine learning if you are good enough. If you want to go in the traditional software programming, we are having, which we also call it as full stack Java development and all that, then you can go ahead as application developer, web and mobile. So here we are going to teach you the same full stack kind of thing. Today, earlier it used to be system administration. Who does not want to get into the software, who does not want to get into the programming, in that case they used to go for the networking and server administration. So there were programs like MCSC, Linux administration. Now, as the data is no more staying with you, it's not in premises, rather it is all on cloud. We have the program like Cloud Application Developer. Here we teach how exactly you would be able to configure the cloud on Azure, how you will be able to configure on AWS, how you will be able to do it on Google platform. So if you are interested in the networking or system administration side, server administration side, you don't want to get into the software, you can opt for Cloud Application Developer. Then the next one is the DevOps engineer. So as the name itself says, developer as well as operations. So operations is nothing but your system administration kind of thing. And DevOps is the developer. So a person, if you want, I want to be kind of little bit of development, some scripting I should be able to do. You should be good with Python and all that. So you can go for DevOps engineer. This is growing. In fact, next layer is DevSecOps. That means developer, security, and operations. So obviously the number of people required is getting reduced in the companies, right? So earlier they were having the software developer, they are having system administrator, they have security administrator. Now the position, the course like DevSecOps is one person can do all the three. Next is your cybersecurity specialist. If you say that, no, I am interested more into the networking domain, I want to do a lot of, so here in cybersecurity, we start from the LAN, WAN and all, and we are going to teach you up to ethical hacking and all that. So those are the 6 programs. Now, who is going to teach you? It's not only Rooman. Yes, the major chunk is ours. We are going to say, suppose 165 hours, we will be teaching you on the core technology. If you have selected AI, ML or data analyst, so we will be teaching you on the core technology. Also, 90 hours IBM faculty or IBM experts would be taking the class. They will be giving you a project, because at the will be giving you a project, and in each of the domain there are 10 different projects which is available. Not only that, IIT Guwahati has also come forward, and their professors are going to teach you some expert topics, some advanced topics for 30 hours on the program which you are selecting, the course which you are selecting. So as I have shown you, there are 6 different courses that will be taken by 4 different companies. Wadhwani Foundation will be taking 75 hours of training on the different skill sets. Okay. Good. IIT Guwahati has also promised that they will take 2 to 3 persons, or 1 to 2 person rather, from each college for a 1 month of research internship in IIT Guwahati campus. So each of us, we always have the ambition of cracking the JEE, going to IIT. So you can fulfill your dreams still if you are doing good in your internship and you pass the exam conducted by IIT Guwahati. In that case, you can also get an opportunity of 1 month of research internship at IIT Guwahati campus. Now, at the end, what you will get, as I have mentioned in my first slide itself, that you need credit. What AICTE told, 10 to 12 credit. Here, this kind of certificate will come from, like as for engineering, you are having AICTE. which is the regulatory body. In the same way, for vocational training, for skill development, NCVT is the government body, National Council for Vocational Education and Training. Now they want vocational and education, both things should come together as per NEP, New Education Policy 2020. So once you complete your course, you need to take an exam which will be conducted by a third party. It is a physical exam. Like, means the person will come to the training center from NASCOM and they will conduct the exam. Once you pass, you will be getting a certificate like this, where it is also mentioned how many hours program was that and how many academic credit you have got. You see, this is the 17 credit what it says. You can use it for internship, or else even if it is required, now they are having ABC, that is academic bank of credit. So there you can go and you can keep your this credit. So none of the edtech, none of the training provider can give you a credit based training. Here, if you are undergoing this training program, because your government is also coming together to execute this program, you are getting this advantage of earning the credit by doing this training program. So the credit what you are going to get, you can use it for your internship, or else this will get deposited to your ABC, academic bank of credit. And tomorrow you want to do your MS, or you want to do your MCA, or you want to do your MBA, in that case you can utilize this credit, and almost like, one semester you may get it as lateral entry. So there is none of the other company, none of the training company can give this particular option to you, even if you pay a lakh or 2 lakh as the fee. Second certificate what you will be getting is from IBM. As I told you, IBM will be doing the project. Now, okay, fine. As we are on this slide, let me go 1 minute to my website and I will also show you what are the different projects available to you. Okay. So anytime you want to know some more detail about this, you can go to rooman.com, and here we are having winner it would be. You click here and you will find all the details about the program. So I have come to this particular site because I wanted to show you what are the real-time projects you will be getting. Like you see, for every domain, cyber security is missing here. Otherwise, all the 5 I have mentioned. So in application developer, we are giving you the project like e-commerce platform integration. Detail is also there, serverless architecture. So you can decide it now itself that what project you want to do. API development and integration. Same way, if you go for AI/ML, in that case, cognitive customer insight with Watson AI, real-time social media analytics, advanced EDA. So this we will add further if you want. So in each, right now we have given you the option of 10 projects. DevOps engineer, if you go, optimizing deployment speed and reliability with DevOps, setting up a CI/CD pipeline for automated deployment. So this way, so these are the projects what you will be getting. Coming back, 5 certificates you will be having. Let me go back to my PPT again. So project, when you decided this particular project you want to do, you can see here you will be getting like this is to certify that and this particular person, and it's all authentic. Like the QR code is there. You can always go to the website of IBM and you can check. Project on automatic number plate recognition with machine learning. So this is the project. So once we complete the training of 165 hours, or parallelly you will also be doing the training with IBM, and IBM will give you a certificate for this. So the project certificate will come from IBM. Apart from that, as I told you, IIT Guwahati, or EICT Academy from Ministry of IT. So you are getting from Ministry of Skill Development, you are getting the certificate from Government of India, you are getting the certificate from IIT Guwahati or EICT, Ministry of IT. You will get one certificate from, okay, so IIT Guwahati will give you advanced certificate in whatever the topic you have undergone, like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then certificate of completion from Vadvani for what? For employability skills. And then one final certificate from Rooman Technologies for completing the course. So these are the different certificates you will be getting. You will also get the placement support. We are going to help you with the interview preparation, personality development, communication skills. We will be conducting job fairs where you can participate in the job fairs and all. So before we go into the depth of that, I would also like to say that we have wonderful LMS, learning management system. So where you can be able to log in and it would be a personalized learning. So we firmly believe all the students sitting in the class are not the same. Each of you are having the different way of learning, each of you are having the different capability, different capacity. So we have developed our LMS in such a way that you should be able to learn on your own. So in the night 2 o'clock you want to learn, in that case you would be able to do it on your own. So I will show you quickly that what exactly our LMS and how exactly you would be able to access it. So it is online.rooman.com. With that you can log into LMS, and once I log in, I have internship. You can select the course. Suppose I am doing AIML. Here you will find, like, this is Rooman, this is IBM project, and this is Vadvani. So
Sir, shall
when
I
I
give the
go
demo?
here, you can go and you can do the programming over here. So if you need to do any programming and all, there are different compilers available. I can go and I can type my program here and I can see either.
Sachin is there, he wants to hear.
Okay. So this way we would be able, so I will ask my colleague to give in detail presentation about this. Apart from that, you can go to Badwani, where in Badwani Foundation we are having also placement preparation. So you can start practicing about the interview and all. You can learn the communication skills. So you can see, like suppose if I say I want to appear for a interview of network engineer, it will ask you some question. Can you explain what a network engineer does? What motivate you to pursue a career as network engineer? So similarly, if I say I want to appear for a job of cyber security, it is slow. Security engineer. It is slow. All right. Okay. So here you can be able to, I think there is some small issue. Might be I logged in before, so I'll just log in again. So in Badwani, you can learn the soft skills. You can learn on your own speed. So anytime you want, you can go and you can access it, and you can be able to learn the things. Apart from that, you can practice on interview preparation skills. Let me go ahead with this. What motivated you to pursue a career in network? So like this, and I can record it. Uh, as networking is used in most of the places, and either we have to uh, order some food, or we need to do the banking. So there is a lot of demand for networking engineer, and hence this has motivated me to pursue a career in network engineering. So if I give stop, you see whatever I talked, it's all here, and I say submit, it will also evaluate, and it will tell what was my strength, what was my weakness, what is the recommendation. So you can keep trying for your interview until and unless. So I knowingly I told something like, I was just lacking the things and all. So you can find it all over here, all the answers and how to. So lot such things are there. You can do the programming. You would be able to do the in IBM. When you go in IBM, we are allowing you to do the projects. So you would be also be able to do the project using the IBM here. So in one LMS, we are giving you 3 different access. So suppose here they will be, these are the different assignments the IBM will give you, and you have to upload your assignments. As and when you will be uploading, they will verify and they will help you, and ultimately they will be giving you the marks and all. So in order to explain about our LMS, where you would be able to do the practicals, I will invite my colleague Sachin. He will brief you about how exactly you would be able to do the programming.
Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
So yeah, hello students. You might have done a lot of online courses before as well. Okay, but what typically happens is that you attend an online lecture or a recorded content, right? And then you are given some assignments and problem statements to do. It's always very difficult, to set up the programming environment for it, to set up like then upload it, put it on the GitHub and upload it back. If you're getting stuck somewhere, then you are stuck. It's very difficult to actually catch hold of the teachers or the tutors to get help. We have solved all these particular problems for you, okay, by 2 things. First of all, we have created an integrated programming and task and activity environment where you don't have to do anything and just start doing your assignments and practicing out. So taking all the operational work away from you. Second thing is we have given you a very nice AI teaching assistant, basically, who accompanies you through all your assignments, videos, lecture notes, and everything. And it helps you to do the assignments, and it also evaluates those assignments in the real time. So it gives you the marks and it explains you why exactly you got a particular marks about it. So it's a very fun way of learning and effective way of learning. Before taking too much of time, I will quickly show you what I'm talking about. So here I am, okay? And 1 second. Yeah. So for a student, when he logs into our LMS, Rooman's LMS portal, he can go and start. For example, you have attended the morning class, then you can start your day during any particular time, okay? And then what you can do is you are graded by a teaching assistant and you can move forward there. The teaching assistant, the AI teaching assistant tells you what are the different activities you have to do for the given day. Okay, so it talks about there is a video which you have video recording you have to go through. There are some multiple choice questions you have to go through, some short notes basically you have to go through, and a couple of coding questions. So once you go through it, you can plan your day accordingly, and you don't have to do all the things at a particular go. Right, you can come back later and you can attempt it as per your comfort. Okay. Now, this is a video lecture you're going through, right? So you can actually pause it and you can look at the AI tutor generates all the summary about the video lecture instantaneously. Okay, what are the core concepts which are being covered? For example, like you say, okay, you understood everything in the morning lecture, but you didn't understood the for loop. You don't have to go through video. You just point at the 4.A and so the AI tutor will only then point you to the for loops aspect, basically, of the video lecture. So that way, like your learning is very, very effective. And if you are somebody who likes to learn through the notes as well, so it creates the instantaneously notes for you as well. And in the night, it gives you all the points to remember actually from the video. Okay, like use operators like this, basic data types and everything. So it becomes a kind of revision notes for you, okay, for the lecture. Now, moving forward, once you are done with it, you can mark as done. You are given some points and you got some points. You go through the video, you got some points there. You can move to a next task. Okay. So let's say this is a Python notes actually. So whatever the reading material you went through it, you can actually open it and go through the reading material again, the student notes and everything. And this is very, very critical because this will help you answer the subsequent programmatic questions as well once you're going to encounter it. Now let's say we move to the next task. Okay. Now it says that what will be the output of the following code. Okay. So now if you've gone through the recording properly, you've gone to the notes properly, you should be able to particularly answer it. So basically it says that if you give an answer, what it does is it still gives you an explanation of the answer and we can move forward. You get some points basically. And all these points are very, very critical actually because I mean, attending the lectures or videos is not enough, but this shows that you are actively engaging with the course and every day, whatever you practice, the points you earn becomes critical for earning the grade in this particular course. So for example, now it gives you the 2 array list and ask you, based on that in the merge sorting, which element it would be there. Let's say you answered something and you answered the wrong. So the AI tutors actually gives you good explanation why your answer was wrong and why and what should be the correct answer for it. So if you learn from it, this will be helpful for you for the subsequent part. Now let's say, now this is a programming question. As soon as the programming question comes, if you look at the right side, it created the programming environment for you, okay, instantaneously. So it understands and it knows is the Python programming questions is created the environment for you. This particular question is saying that you find the palindrome, okay, for a given thing. So simply you can start writing the code, okay, like this. So somehow the Zoom is not able allow me to, yeah. We write the code, we here, okay. And then let's say I write a if condition to determine whether this particular word is a palindrome or not. Okay. Then what we do is basically we define a particular variable saying that Boolean variable is palindrome. And we say false. And we put a if condition there saying that make it is palindrome variable true. Okay. And what we can do is we can simply return this variable. Okay. Now what we do is we try to execute this code. It gives me some errors actually. Basically, like the syntax is invalid. What I can do is like I can ask AI tutor for help. So I say, give me some hints. It analyzes my code and it says that correct the slicing syntax in the thing and use this thing. So if you look at it, I didn't use the syntax properly, so it told me to use a -1 here to reverse the same. So it's not giving me some generic thing. It actually analyzes my code and gives me the accordingly feedback to improve my code. Okay. Then it told me like convert the input to lowercase to handle the case sensitivity. So I forgot that. So I can actually do that. Lowercase, okay, and then fine. I again ask him to see if my code is correct this time or not. See, it tells me you have method name is incorrect. It should be lower, not the lowercase, okay, and indentation should be correct for the particular thing, and then it give me the syntactical parts as well, not to fix it up, okay. So what I can do is I can correct my code accordingly the suggestions that are given, okay, and I can run it again. I create a space here. It should be this and this. Yeah. Yeah. So this way, actually, what it does is like return is outside the function. Okay, so I have to put the return inside the function. Okay. So guys, if you can see now the errors are not there. Okay, I have fixed all the errors and accordingly I can analyze it. So you guys are seeing that it is fixing me dynamically understanding the code and fixing it. Now I was successfully able to complete the task with the help of the teaching assistant and gives me the 15 points. Okay. And not only the coding assignments, what we have done is we have created very interesting AWS labs for you as well. Okay. So if you look at it, yeah. Okay. For example, we go to a particular problem assignment. Okay. So this was an example of programming assignment which I gave to you. What we'll do is we will also see how we can do the AWS legs as well. Okay. So this particular task is says that like how to manage IAM policies for the IT development teams. That's the task. It gives you the step-by-step instruction how you are able to do that, and it gives you all the reading material, basically what exactly you were successful with doing it. Okay. And how we'll be executing this particular task. If you read the instructions well, you can start the task. Once you start the task, it redirects me to a lab environment. Okay, let's say we go to a lab environment, and what we can do is we do the IAM policy lab. Okay, we click here, and then we open the console. Take some time, basically. We'll try again. So now what it's doing is it taking me to the AWS console. Now this is a completely test environment, sandbox environment, which is created for you. And the instructions, as we have said, were given to already. Okay. And now, based on those particular instructions, what you're supposed to do is create the IAM users out there. Okay. And follow the instructions. What is very amazing is as you do the instructions of creating all the AWS related tasks here, once you come back and submit this task as done, it will actually evaluate whether you are able to successfully do it or not. Okay. And grade you then and there itself, basically. Okay. And also, whatever you didn't do it, it will give you the feedback based on the top of it. So what we have done is we have created a completely practical learning environment, whether it is for programming scenarios or whether it's for AWS or DevOps things, which makes your life very, very easy and fun, while doing the projects as well. Okay, so that's all my presentation. I'm just stop sharing.
Thanks, Sachin. So guys, you have seen how interactive it is. So maybe you can go and you can try on Simply Learn or Upgrade, or there are so many edtech platforms. Even though they charge a lakh, 1.5 lakh as the fee, still someone will give you IIT Guwahati certificate, someone will give you IBM certificate. So none, even if you pay and want to do also, you may not get all these features. So now what we have shown you, the LMS, none of these edtech companies are having all these options. So here we are talking about personalized learning at your convenience, at your place. You learn the things, AI will help you in doing the things. So particular program, don't feel as it is available for free means, usually we have the perception if something comes free means it may not be good. So it's not like that. Even though it is coming free to you, it is worth minimum 1 to 1.5 lakhs. So if you go to the market and if you want the similar course, in that case you need to pay 1.5 lakhs, because you are getting 5 of the different certificates. And on top of that, we will help you with the placement, we will help you with the on the job training. So all these things are the part and parcel of it. And what it is coming to you, apps, as VC sir told, not even a single I was showing to you in one of my slide, that who all are the part of this particular training program. So in that you may find that we are having here uh, Vadvani Foundation. I told you that it is for soft skills, IIT is for advanced skill, IBM will be giving you the project, and Rooman is giving you the core training. Then what exactly this N is doing, NASCOM and NSDC? So NASCOM is the moment the moment you finish your training, NASCOM will connect you on their Talent Connect portal for the placements. So as you know, NASCOM is the association of all the IT companies. So all these IT companies, large IT companies, whatever the job vacancies, they are going to put it on the Talent Connect portal. And once you are the part of NASCOM Talent Connect portal, it will help you in getting the job. And what exactly NSDC is doing? NSDC is sponsoring your program. So when I say free, yes, it is free for you, but someone is paying for it. Government is paying for it. NSDC is paying for it to us. So you have to take it seriously. It is free means it's not uh, something which is having no value. So it's a very much valuable course, and it can really give you a better opportunity for the job. So ultimately what you will be getting enhanced employability, because once you are having all these certificates and on your resume, and once you are saying you have done the project from IBM, obviously you will stand apart from the crowd. So once you do this program, you will be recognized differently. We are going to give you the real world project, we are doing the workshop seminars. For example, like VLSI program of ours was handled by the professors from University of California, UCSD, San Diego. So which is now, he is a world renowned professor. He was taking VLSI program for our student at VTU. So for VTU in Karnataka, we have already offered this program in 106 colleges, and we have trained more than 20,000 students in the 7th semester. Now in the 8th semester, again 20,000 more are going to join the program. So we welcome you to join this program. Now coming to where exactly you can join the program. So right now we are having it at we are going to set up our training center at JNTU Engineering College, Anantapur, Pulaya Engineering College, Kurnool, Narayana Engineering College, Nellore, VMU Institute of Technology, Chittoor. This is tentative. It is at these places. And if, because we find that many of the candidates, they go either to Bangalore or Hyderabad. So we are not saying no for that also. If you are interested to come to Bangalore, so you come to Bangalore, you go join some training institute, pay lakhs of rupees, and still not sure of this certification. You are getting 17 credit. None of the training institute can give you the academic credit as such. So if you are still willing that no, I want to come to Bangalore, you are most welcome. We have a huge training setup in Electronic City, which is the hub for all the IT companies. So you can come, you can join us at our PMKK center at Electronic City, and you can be able to do the training program from there also. So that's all what we were. So before I conclude, I would like to take the questions from you. But before to that, one small poll which we will do. So again, you can scan it. You can scan this particular code. Two questions, only two questions I am going to ask. If you can scan and join Kahoot, take your mobile and scan it. Sorry, this okay. I will share. Yeah. Sorry. So I will be sharing my whole screen. And yes, please scan this Kahoot. Two questions, two polls I will ask you, and then I will take the questions from you.
Allow them to unmute for questions.
So by the time uh, you are joining on this, I will tell you the instruction how exactly you are going to ask the question. You have to raise your hand. Raise hand option is there. You can raise hand and we will give you the option of either you can also put your comment on the chat, that also I can read and I can answer, or you can raise your hand and we will allow you to unmute. Once you unmute, you can ask your question. Yeah, so we will wind it up at 4:30. It is already 4:20. So request you join this Kahoot fast. Two questions here, and after that we will open up the question answer session. All right, let's start. So this is the same one what I am having, so I will just skip first few. You have already done, you have already answered for all this. So this I will skip, and last two questions which we have not done, that we will be going to. Okay. This all you have answered, this all you have answered. So last three questions. Okay, so have you attended an online course or internship before? So 337, already you are aware of the online program and all. Great. Next question. Do you want to have a job lined up by the time you graduate? I know the answer, but still I want to listen from you. Yes, 387 as I expected. And no, I want to gain experience first before getting a job. Great. Do you feel that the winner program is going to help you? With what? Internship, project, knowledge on future skill, or all the above? Great. So it is all the above. Last two. Are you interested to join the winner program? Where you want to? Anantapur, Karnool, Nellore, Chittor, Bangalore? Not interested. Where you want to join if you want to join? Okay. So Bangalore 145, 149 Chittoor, Anantapur, Nellore, Kurnool. Great. Great. It is giving a good insight to me. Okay. So I need to arrange my infrastructure accordingly. Thanks for your input. And this is the last question. Uh, Is that what you were expecting, that internship program? In that case, these are the information I will be getting. So this is last question from my end. After that, you start the question and I will be answering to you. Okay, good. So I think I'm able to meet your expectation. I was able to explain you what exactly is required. Now let me come back. If you are interested, in that case, you can unmute and you can ask the questions. I am here to answer your questions. In the meanwhile, who has already decided that yes, I am going to join, here is a QR code, you can scan it and start submitting the form. So that is the your form stating that you are interested in joining. So which center you would be interested, that you can mention. So when you are, sorry, so you can scan it and you can go ahead in entering the option registering yourself. Still, if you have any question, I tried to give my level best all the information, but still if you are having some question, in that case, now let's open for the question. So yeah, you can raise your hand, you can put your questions in the chat. May I know when the program starts? So yeah, the program will be starting. We will take 15 days for registration and all that. So mostly it would be in the third week of January. So around 27th of January, what we are expecting it to start.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, already I'm doing my internship in LMS. So
Mhm.
simultaneously, can I do it here, sir? Can I join the course both together at a time?
That is like, the university need to take a decision. So yeah, right now, if you are doing it on online, in that case, definitely you can change it, because this particular internship program here, physically you are doing. This is a physical training. It is not online, which is having more value, and you will be also going through the campus interview and all that. So I feel that this is better than your online thing. So you can all, I suggest you can drop that and you can join this.
Okay, sir. And also, sir, can I shift to Bangalore because two of my friends are doing intern in Bangalore. So can I shift Bangalore and start doing both LMS and this intern at the same time?
You can, definitely you can. So if your friends are doing, means they might have paid the training fee in some of the training institute and doing this course. So when you are coming here to Bangalore, in that case you have to just that also our team will help, but you have to pay for the accommodation. Or if you already have the accommodation, then there is no concerns at all. So for which your friend might have paid 50,000, 60,000 fee, you will be getting it at zero cost. So definitely you can come to Bangalore and you can do the internship at our place also. If you want to be at district, in that case, in each district we have created one training center, so you can do it at the district level also. So as per your convenience, we are giving you full option.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Five options you are having, and from anywhere people can come to Bangalore. Anywhere they can go to any of the other districts also. So there is no restriction.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, so we are from engineering college in Kadapa district, sir.
Yes.
So as you mentioned that the training centers are in Anantapur, Chittoor, Kurnool.
Yeah.
Then what about the students of Kadapa district to avail this internship training, sir?
See, in any of, because this is, as I mentioned, that this is government sponsored training. So what happens that we are having Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra at all these places. So at this moment, I can say that these are the 5 places. So we will keep you posted. Once you register, in that case, we will inform you. Yes. So there is some question, someone is asking in the chat, sir, can we get all the required permission to join you from my college? We are acting here as a company. So your college should not have any problem in giving you the permission for the internship at our place. So here, and it is not Rooman alone. Rooman, NASCOM, IIT, IBM, everyone is giving you the training, and that's the reason the first slide I have shown what exactly is the objective. So the objective of internship is to learn skill, check the working environment, and Rooman is not only a training company. We are also doing a lot of projects, so we can also give you the exposure on smart city projects. We can give you the exposure on how to manage the data center, how to manage the cloud. So it is, we are a company, so we are going to give you the internship. Yes, there is, I don't think so college will have any objection. Payment, as I mentioned, there is no fee to this particular program. Might be it is unbelievable for you, but VC sir is also here, and sir has also announced. So it is clear that it is no fake program or no false promises. It is sponsored by Government of India.
Sir, what is the duration of internship program?
It would be 3 months, full time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And as I mentioned, like someone has asked the question, is there any history of past giving internship to JNTU colleges? This is the first time we have started with VTU in Karnataka 6 months back. One batch got completed. It is being accepted as internship by VTU, and we have already discussed this with JNTU Anantapur, and it will be accepted. So yes, this is for the first time, but already one semester is being done. 20,000 student has undergone at VTU. That also to the prestigious colleges like the colleges like RV College, BMS College, KNSIT. So all of they are participating in this particular project.
Sir, is there any fixed timings for the internship or it is any flexible time, sir?
It is fixed time. So you have to be, it is as good as working hours. You have to be there in the class, and it would be 3 to 4 months the training will go. It's not only training, we will also be giving you the project. We will also be giving you some assignment. From here itself, you can start your venture also. We are also having incubator and all. So if you want to start some company, we will help you. If you want to get into a job, we will help you. Is it only JNTU based colleges or any other college also, and it is only for Andhra Pradesh or Telangana? See, the thing is, this particular webinar is specifically for JNTU student, but as such, there is no restrictions. So because it's Government of India program, so anyone can join as such, until and unless you meet the criteria for the program. So a student must have completed at least second year of their BE BTech or second year of diploma, then only they can join this program. Offline, it is offline. We are not giving online, offline or online possibilities. So online there are many. You already have enough of companies who has enrolled for who is enrolling for the online internship program and all. We don't want to get into that. We are giving you offline training. You will also be able to learn the office culture and all over here. Accommodation and food also free, sir? No, it is not. If you are coming to Bangalore and all, you have to arrange for your accommodation and all. In Bangalore, we are at Electronic City. Yes, anyone else? Anything I have missed? How the student of cut person past history, how many months did ask the question? I think there are Harshavardhan. You want to ask any question?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I wanted to know what will be the mode of this program.
It is physical, like it is classroom based training. Okay, next is your Chennoru. Okay, you can unmute and you can ask the question. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, is there any sir available in Tirupati, sir? Because while calling, you mentioned Chittoor or Tirupati.
Uh-huh. Sorry, can you repeat it?
Is there any center available in Tirupati, sir? Because you may while polling, you mentioned options like Chittoor or Tirupati, like that.
We are working on that, so we will come out with that. Yes, Tirupati, we are discussing with. So yes, Kadpa is still, I'm not sure, but Tirupati I have already initiated this discussion, because Tirupati and Chittoor, two centers to be created, and probably yes, we will be able to set it up. I will let you know.
In order to, you said no, sir, that form to fill.
Definitely. Yeah, your college will
Then
be sending the details.
okay.
Okay.
That by scanning that QR code, there's no.
You
Is there
you
Chittoor,
just
Kannur,
select
like that?
Chittoor, you select Chittoor/Tirupati. We will inform you when we are having it over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Usman Sheikh. You can unmute and ask.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Go
So,
ahead.
from which date the program will start, sir?
It is
From
for the
which date
8th
the program will
semester.
start, sir?
It will be starting in this year itself. It will be starting from Jan 27th or 4th of February next.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Vishnu.
So, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, can we know, are there any courses that belongs to ECA, sir? So, you have mentioned that there are the 5 courses that belongs to CEC only.
We are having one program of VLSI design.
Okay, sir.
So, VLSI design engineer, we will be offering at Bangalore.
Okay, sir. If we want to relocate the location, if I have selected Bangalore first, and if I want to shift to Tirupati, can we have that option, sir?
Until you start with the classes. So suppose if you right now you choose, and before the class starts, you can be able to. But suppose once the class starts, and one thing I would like to make it clear over here, that government is going to sponsor the training program only when you are completing it, only when you are passing the exam. So biometric attendance is mandatory. Minimum 80% attendance is mandatory. So, and that also Aadhaar based biometric attendance. So it is very much important. You should be regular in the classes.
So, to have a VLSI course, so I should select only Bangalore, sir. So, location should be.
For the time
Okay.
being, it is, we are having VLSI at Bangalore only.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay. Malleshwar Reddy.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, if there is a chance to place in Kadapa, can we shift from Tirupati to Kadapa, sir?
Yeah,
Because
if we are starting, you can do that. Yeah.
because I am registered to Tirupati. That means in that options, Tirupati is best option for me. That's why I chosen that. If there is a chance to place
that
in
is
Kadapa.
possible. If before starting the training, if we are setting up, in that case, we will allow you to do that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Another 3 questions I will take. Let me randomly select. Go ahead, Sheikh.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So I had a question that is is it something like first come first serve, or is it merit based selection for the internship?
We will be also giving you a small test, because as the number of vacancies are restricted, so it is not that as many as we want we can take, because it is government sponsored training program. So once you fill the form, once you show your interest, in that case there would be one small test will be conducted, and based on your output, based on the result, you will be selected. So it is not whoever and everyone can. Yes, there is a small test also.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, sir. What is the deadline, sir? Deadline for this internship application? I want to know.
It would be 1 week, because now we will be sending the application and all. So we will keep it open till 15th of January, and then we will conduct a small test, and then we will go ahead with,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. So anyway, what you can do is you can also visit our website, Rooman.com, and there you will find winner as one of the tab. You can click on that. You can go through the different training programs what we are offering, how exactly these programs are, what we are teaching, all the details you will get, and in that itself, let me take it there. Okay. So in Rooman.com, is that my screen is visible? So in this Rooman.com, when you go, so in further, if there is any kind of query you are having, in that case, what you can do is you go to this. And here you can get into the chat. Our people will help you, or else you also have WhatsApp, you have call, so you can call us and we will help you with that. So fill the form on our website. You can come, you can do the chat, you can do the WhatsApp. We are available all the time for you. Thank you. So I am done with this presentation and hope it is useful for you. And for any concern, for any issues, you can also send an email to us on online@rooman.net. So you can send an email to online@rooman.net. I will be typing the same in the, okay.